If you are looking for top-notch interior designers in Chandigarh, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their years of experience and expertise in the field, SCON Design India has established itself as one of the leading interior design firms in the region. Their team of talented and skilled designers is dedicated to creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. Whether it is a residential project or a commercial space, SCON Design India has the knowledge and creativity to transform any space into a stunning work of art. SCON Design India understands the importance of listening to their clients' needs and preferences. They take the time to understand their clients' vision and work closely with them to bring it to life. By combining their design skills with their clients' ideas, SCON Design India is able to create spaces that truly reflect the personality and style of their clients. What sets SCON Design India apart from other interior design firms in Chandigarh is their commitment to quality and attention to detail. They believe that every element of a space should be carefully considered and curated to create a cohesive and harmonious design. From the selection of materials to the placement of furniture, every aspect of the project is meticulously planned and executed. SCON Design India offers a wide range of services to cater to the diverse needs of their clients. Whether it is designing a new space from scratch or renovating an existing one, they have the expertise to handle any project with professionalism and creativity. They also provide consultancy services for clients who need guidance and advice on their interior design projects. So if you are in search of reliable and skilled interior designers in Chandigarh, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the name you can trust. With their passion for design and commitment to excellence, they are dedicated to creating spaces that exceed their clients' expectations. Contact SCON Design India today and let them turn your vision into reality. Transform your space with the expertise of SCON Design India, leading interior design firm in Chandigarh. Create stunning and functional spaces with our talented team of designers.